What if the next year, 2026 of your life looked completely different from the last? Not because of luck, talent, or perfect timing, but because you finally learned how to set goals the right way. Success is not reserved for a chosen few. It is built by ordinary people who choose clarity over confusion and action over excuses. In this video, you will learn a simple, practical system to turn your dreams into achievable goals and take control of your future. Welcome to the Kashif Insight 23 space for personal growth, confidence, and success. Today's video is not just motivational, it is instructional. If you apply these steps with discipline, your life will begin to change. Why do most people fail to achieve their goals? Not because they lack ability, but because they lack direction, structure, and consistency. Goals without systems fade quickly. Let's fix that. Step 1. Identify your why. Every strong goal starts with a strong reason. Ask yourself why this goal matters emotionally. A clear purpose fuels long-term commitment. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want financial freedom to support my family and live without stress." Step 2. Set SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Clear goals eliminate confusion and increase focus. Replace "I want to be fit" with "I will exercise 4 times a week for 30 minutes over the next 2 months. Step 3. Break goals into action steps. Big goals succeed through small daily actions. Create weekly or daily tasks. Use tools like digital planners or task managers to stay organized and accountable. Step 4. Review and adjust. Check your progress weekly. Learn from what works and what doesn't. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Step 5. Build systems, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Systems create consistency. Develop habits, routines, and reminders that keep you moving forward. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledging progress builds confidence and momentum. Every step forward matters. Remember this: discipline beats motivation, clarity beats wishful thinking, and action beats fear. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop improving. Your future is created by what you do today. If this video inspired you, share it, subscribe, and commit to one goal right now. Write it down. Say it clearly. Then take action. Your dreams are possible if you decide they are worth working for.